Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Coconut oil is known to be beneficial for skin and hair. The Wonder Oil offers the best benefits, most of which are unknown to us. The fatty acids in the oil can kill harmful pathogens, including viruses and fungi, which could potentially help prevent infections. Apart from being healthful, it is known to be good for skin care. In this video, we are going to share with you how coconut oil manages to be the best oil for keeping our skin healthy. Number 1. Acts as a makeup remover. Coconut oil is the perfect and of course cost-efficient way to remove makeup. Take a cotton ball and gently sweep it over your eyes and face. The oil tends to break down the waxy makeup from the eye and face and leaves the delicate area hydrated too. Once you are done wiping your face with coconut oil, wash it off with a mild face wash. Number 2. Nourishes cracked skin and cuticles. Massaging coconut oil into your cuticles and the skin around, it will bring some moisture to an overlooked part of the body. Number 3. Acts as a moisturizer. Virgin organic coconut oil is said to act as a natural moisturizer for the skin. It helps increase hydration and reduces water loss in dry skin. Number 4. Plays the perfect lip balm. Do you have cracked and dry lips? Bring coconut oil to the rescue. A dash of coconut applied on the lips provides moisture and shine to your lips. You can add some eucalyptus oil or mint to the oil, to add some more benefits to it. Number 5. Acts as a cleanser. Coconut oil is naturally antibacterial, antifungal, and moisturizing properties, which help clean your skin. All you need to do is to apply some oil in circular motions all over the face and neck, giving yourself a gentle massage. Once done, wash it off. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.